All right, what's up, guys? So the Chicago E9X stickers are now live on our website. We have the website fully up and ready. So if you guys want to go cop a sticker and help support us and support the builds, we really appreciate it. I'm going to flip the camera right now and go ahead and show you guys what the stickers look like. So these are the Chicago E9X stickers. You can order whatever color you want for the E9X part of it, but I think they look really nice. So if you, like I said, if you guys want to help us out, these are now live on the website. So I'm going to put our website first link in the description. You can go and head over there. We have the stickers available as well as a few t-shirts and hoodies. We plan on having more designs available for both stickers and like the merch that we're selling. So definitely stay tuned. We'll update you guys in future videos about any changes that we make or any updates that we have. But you guys can head over to the website now and go take a look. And I also wanted to quickly update you guys before we hop into the video that I did end up getting some new rear tires again. These are the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. It's pretty much a night and day difference from the Toyos. These hook 100 times better. I couldn't get the Toyos to hook, so I ended up just biting the bullet and copying these instead. But these are completely different. They're 100 times better. I would recommend just going with these for anyone who's, looking to put a lot of power down on the ground. But we have a lot of good clips from the other night. It's pretty much just highway racing and screwing around with some people. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely subscribe. We're going to be posting videos all summer long. This thing's going to blow up soon, so we're going to kind of figure out what I'm going to do with that. But regardless, we're going to be posting stuff all summer. So definitely like the video and subscribe for all the future videos. And yeah, we'll get right into it.
3, 2, 1.